Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Tanushri and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. So if you're new to my channel, welcome and please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And as winter is just around the corner and we face a lot of issues like our hair, our face, our skin entirely, like overall, like goes through a lot of problems, a lot of situations are there. And I think we tend to overlook everything and we don't tend to have a proper routine or a skincare or hair care routine, whatever it is. So I guess you guys have already made from the title itself that I'll be sharing with you some tips and hacks about the different kinds of uses of coconut oil to survive this winter. And I guess a lot of things are available on the internet already, but then personally I have tried out a lot of things and some worked for me and some didn't work for me. So I'll be sharing you all the hacks which worked for me and which are very useful. And although we know it, but we don't tend to follow that. But then trust me, these hacks are super easy. It's also very cheap because virgin coconut oil aren't that expensive and you don't need multiple products to treat or cure all your problems. So without much delay, let's move just straight to the video. Coconut oils are available in two varieties. One is refined oil and the other one is virgin coconut oil. So virgin coconut oil or VCO is produced by cold pressing the liquid from the coconut meat, later extracting the oil from milk and water. It is 100% natural, unbleached and cold pressed. I have tried out a lot of virgin coconut oil or VCOs, but the products I'll be sharing in this video are Merit VCO or extra virgin coconut oil. So these comes in three varieties: 100 milliliter, 250 milliliter and 500 milliliter. These are in 100 milliliter and 250 milliliter. This one is the 500 milliliter one, and these are absolutely authentic, 100% pure, extracted from coconut milk. You can see the nutritional facts given over here. And Merit VCO is produced by Excel Combines and they produce authentic virgin VCO, so you can buy them without any fear. Mind it guys, this video is not sponsored and all the opinions and everything I'm sharing is absolutely of my own. If you have a sensitive and dry skin and you want to shave your hair, then no need to worry. Grab a virgin coconut oil, just add a few drops on your hand, massage it gently on all over the areas where you want to shave, and then just get hold of a razor and go ahead. You can see how easy the hair removal process is without leaving your skin very dry or rough, or any sort of irritation doesn't happen if you follow this step. Trust me, if you have a sensitive skin, then this remedy is just for you. You can easily see the difference between my two hands. One is so smooth and the glow, and I absolutely love this step. Take the same oil, add very little drops on your finger, and then rub it gently between your fingers, and then apply it very carefully on your lips after applying lipstick. Because if you rub it too hard, then the lipstick might come off, so you don't want that. So this is the lip gloss step. If you don't have a lip gloss, then don't need to worry. Just apply a few drops of coconut oil on after applying your lipstick, and yes, you're ready to go. Since I have a very sensitive skin and I have a lot of acne and dark spots, so I'm very careful with my makeup removal steps. And since I'm constantly shooting, I prefer something which doesn't make your skin dry or anything. I love using micellar water as well, but I like micellar waters are very expensive, so I tend to go for virgin coconut oil as well, and just see how much makeup and how efficiently it removes makeup. Are you someone who face a lot of lash fall problem during winter? Because if you are, then no need to worry. You take jojoba oil or any essential oil, take a bud, then add a few drops of jojoba oil on it. Just let it glide, like let the cotton absorb it completely. Then add few drops of VCO, and then apply that mixture on like very gently on your eyebrows, on your lashes, and all the areas where you feel that, like, it's like the lashes are falling down, obviously. So apply it evenly on both the sides. As I said, that I have a lot of active acne now and very dark spots. So here is the remedy. Take a piece of cloth, very soft cloth. Take a piece of ice and then wrap it in the cloth, and then use it to tap gently on your the face or the targeted areas, the acne and the dark spots where it's safe. And then just dab it gently and wait for like a few seconds or minutes to dry. Then take the bud and then add VCO on it, and then apply the bud on those areas where the active acne are present, and as well as the dark spots. Just wait a few seconds to dry, then apply the ice directly on that area and rub it very effectively, and then wait. Apply this process or repeat this process 2 times a week, and then you won't have any active acne problem. Do you also have the black elbow problem? I mean, I have it. So let's get started. Take any aloe vera gel of your choice. Just take a very, the very little amount, the amount you require. And then this is the amount I have taken, and I have added few drops of VCO with it. Then just mix it properly, and this is the texture you would get. So then rub it gently on your elbows, like the where you have the dark patches. You can also apply the mixture all over your hand where you have tan, because this process helps in removing tan as well. Take a few drops of oil on your finger and then just apply it on your lips. This will help you a lot to prevent the lip cracks you have during winter. And then apply it on the side of your nose or on the areas where you have whiteheads or blackheads. Then take a piece of cloth dipped in warm water and then apply it gently on the areas where you have applied the oil. This would help the blackheads and the whiteheads to come off very easily. After dabbing the warm cloth, you have to apply any chemical exfoliator, and your blackheads and whiteheads problems are gone. Apply any cream which has vitamin E in it. I have taken this much amount of the cream, and then I have added few drops of VCO to the cream. I have mixed it equally, or so that the consistency is thick and it's equal, and then apply it evenly on your face and neck. Massage it properly, massage it gently, so that the cream glides into your skin because it's thick. And trust me, if you have any skin issues during winter, your skin will feel a lot more soft and smooth. Take the VCO and take any essential oil of your choice, whether it's jojoba oil or tea tree oil. Just massage towards the end of your hair and leave the scalp. If you have dandruff or hair fall issues, just massage it gently towards the end. And if you have any hair breakage or split ends problem, this remedy will help you a lot. So this was it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and have a lovely week ahead. So bye.